everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord has released a beta feature that gives out orbs every month. But before that, only 4.2% of you have subscribed to my channel, even though you know that my channel is the only one that gives you safest and easiest way to get free Nitro. Make sure to subscribe now since we need to reach 12,700 subscribers soon. This feature is called Keep the Orbs Coming. I received its beta today. When I click Learn More, a whole article opens up. So, Discord is testing a new reward for Nitro members called Orbs. Think of it as a virtual currency. If you're a subscriber, Discord just drops these into your account automatically. You can then use them in the shop to grab things like avatar decorations, profile effects, or even credits toward your next Nitro bill. Here's the catch. It has to be a paid subscription, either monthly or annual. If you're using a free trial, a gift from a friend, or you're on the cheaper basic or classic plans, you won't get them. Also, keep in mind this is still in beta, so if you don't see the option yet, you're just not in the test group yet. You'll get these orbs once a month. Usually, the first batch hits your account about a week after you subscribe, and then the 30-day timer starts for the next one. One thing to watch out for, if you use a Nitro credit to skip a payment, the timer actually pauses and won't start again until you're back to paying out of pocket. To see how many days you have left until your next drop, head over to the Nitro tab on your computer. There's a Nitro rewards section that shows you the exact countdown. You can't see the timer on the mobile app yet, but the orbs you earn will show up on both desktop and phone. So currently, that's all the article talks about. I will link the article in the video's description for you to read. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.